back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making English muffins. The first thing I'm going to do is put my saucepan onto a medium heat. I'm now going to add in my milk and wait for it to start to bubble. Once it has started to bubble, I'm going to remove it from the heat. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And mix it together until it's dissolved. I'm now going to leave it to one side to cool down. You want it to cool down until it's lukewarm. In my bowl, I'm going to mix together warm water and some fast action dried yeast. I'm now going to leave it to stand for 10 minutes until it's gone creamy. Now that my yeast has gone creamy, I'm going to add my milk mixture, butter, and half my flour, and now I'm going to gradually add in my flour a bit at a time. I'm now going to add my remaining flour and I'm going to start kneading my dough. Now that I have a soft dough, I'm going to leave it to proof for an hour or until it has doubled in size. I'm also going to leave it in a warm place. My dough has finished proving. I'm now going to remove it from the bowl. I'm now going to punch down the dough. Roll out my dough until it's about ½ inch thick. You can use a tuna can, a biscuit cutter, or a round glass to cut out your muffins. I've got a baking tray which I have put some greaseproof paper on and sprinkled some plain flour. I'm going to take my cut out muffins and place them onto the baking tray. I have placed them onto my baking tray and I have dusted them with a little bit of more plain flour. I'm now going to cover them and leave them to prove for half an hour. I have lightly greased my griddle pan with some vegetable oil. I'm now going to put it onto a medium heat and wait for it to warm up. Now my griddle pan is warm, I'm going to take my muffins and place them on. I'm going to cook them until they are lightly brown on both sides. This can take about 10 minutes per side. I have cut one muffin in half after frying them and letting them cool down, and I have stuck it into the toaster. You can toast it to however you like yours toasted. I also like to place a tiny bit of butter on my muffin. And if you prefer, or if you like, you can also add your favourite jam on top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.